Andy the Tool Addict. Woo! That's right. Guess what time it is, boys? Say it with me. Snap-on tool haul. We're going to quick run over the flyer, and I do mean quick because there's not much to see here. But we're going to slip it on down here, and we're going to get right into it. Right on the front, we got a TPMS tool. Boy, oh boy, what a joke this tool. We got the magnetic mats. Obviously, I showed that one for $49.99 last week. You get that one. $25.99. You get the little square daddy. $27.99. $27 for the mag strip, which we got the mag strip. I went ahead and bought the mag strip since I like this. I thought this was actually going to be useful. Can't remember somebody's channel. One of you guys chime in there. This thing's got some. But I thought this was neat because I can slap this up on the toolbox, and you know, we can throw. I'm just gonna use some bolts for representation, but you know, you put this down like this, and I can put some screwdrivers up in the back of the toolbox. Just like I like and this is no joke, guys. These magnets are no joke. I mean, that's just the bolt head, just the cap screw. So, anyways. Yeah, there's that. That's with the tool haul. These things are pretty cool. Let's just slap that bad boy right up there. Bada bing, bada boom. We'll put that right. Get a little bit of credit, $5,000, and pay it off. Be in moderation. This is not a terrible thing. Yes, it's a little bit higher interest, but building your credit so you can get that 720 credit score. Tool Truck is a good way because they are a little bit more lenient towards your credit. So don't ever look at it as a negative thing if you do it right. New torches. I have the ST300. Always have. This has definitely been a great torch. I use this bad boy all the time. I've had it for a while. The ST300. They're on sale. $91.68. $91 for the 400, the Torch 400, and the Torch 300. I have the Torch 300, and it works perfect, and I love it. I've had it for probably going on over a year. I can't say anything bad about it. It's been a great torch. And I use it all the time. So, not a bad price, 68 bucks, and it's obviously a good torch. I mean, it's lasted me a year. I've never had very good luck with these, and I'm pretty happy. They have the new shorter torches, or the new shorter butane torches, 144, and then the old Portasol rebrand, 177. 171. Look at all that color in there. Impacts, you know, the MG 325 and the MG 725. I mean, what's there? Oh, it's PT850. Sorry, PT50 and MG 725. The flyer's not that exciting, guys. I'm just blow through it. Wow, look, we have pliers. I mean, lots of pliers here. I'll run it through your deal here. If you haven't seen it and you want to see it, or, you know, I mean, there it is. This kind of lets you hook your peepers on it. Obviously, I like snap-on pliers. If I was going to get the high leverages, I would get those. I would get these pistol grips, all these pistol grips, the needle nose. The flush cutters, or what are these, E's? Those are the 4-inch diagonal cutters. All these are great pliers to have. Can't go wrong with them. Wrenches, more wrench deals. $291, $303, $236. These are metric. All these are metric. These are all metric here. All these are metric wrenches. You're going to pay anywhere from $367, blah, blah, blah. You know, you guys know the deal. Not a whole lot going on in this flyer. 40 bucks for the tape measure, which I like the 25-foot tape measure. I have it. I have metric and standard. Metric and imperial, I guess if you want to be technical. Welding mask, shield, extreme shield, blue point level. And then on the back, of course, toolboxes. Enough of that business, okay? Got a recess on it. Let me show. This works with the seal driver tool, with the snap-on seal driver tool that I picked up. Wanted to add this on, just an extra seal driver for doing some seals. So just wanted to pick that guy up, add it into the set. A little extra deal. Part number, if you guys are interested, 131. There it is, whatever. You can see it. It's a specialty seal, and I don't know that you guys will probably have that many applications. Next thing I picked up was made in the USA. I bought a junior injection gun. They actually had a sale on these. Don't know if they're bright light, black light. for the spot gun. But it's a battery operated one. They're not bad. Anyways, the kit, like I said, 130 bucks. They were on sale. I think they're on sale price for 162. You can buy the Master Cool kit for like probably 100 bucks. Not on the Snap-on truck. I just wanted this kit. I just wanted this kit. That's all there is to it. It was just easier for me. I just rather buy it from the Snap-on guy. Yeah, I paid 30 bucks extra, big deal. I don't care. It's not about the $30. So, yeah. Made in the USA. Spot gun, junior kit. AC. Comes in a nice case. Part number R134. The part number is a ACU. Right there. There's the kit. ACU. Vinja kit. Where's the part number at on here? Right there's the part numbers, fellas. There you go. Take a screenshot of it. I'll put a link in the description, whatnot. Of course, if you think I got that, that's it. You're wrong. I picked up this here light. It's my second one. So my light got ran over at a shop. I was using it, and another guy grabbed it and was using it, and he ran over my light. I've had this light. I've had one of these lights forever. Love these lights. These are super bright, and the reason why I like them is because they're rechargeable. Comes with a set of glasses, and it comes with a hook. And man, there's something else to get off. Let me tell you. Bada bing, bada boom. Wow. Yeah. Like these, and with the magnetic base, these make it really nice. These things are just ridiculously bright. Let me see if we can get that. Can you see that in there, fella? That is a bright blue light right there. It is, this thing's got some power to it. It's probably the best one out there on the market, in my opinion. Like I said, I was not willing to negotiate not having one. Mine got ran over, and the guy gave me money for it to compensate. I made him give me 50 bucks. It's 95 list, I think is what the retail. I don't believe these actually go by lumens, but it's a leak detection light, tempered glass, 2 amp hour battery, glasses for enhancing, whatever, blah, blah, blah. This is a great light. This is the best one on the market, in my opinion. The part number is a CT cordless tool. Here's the easy thing about part numbers, guys. When you're looking for some part numbers, they literally state it in there. Okay, CT stands for cordless tool. Okay, light, L is light. UV, obviously it's a UV light. 761, because most of cordless Snap-on tools are 761 models. So, pretty simple, but this light's awesome. Definitely, if you are doing AC repair like I do, this is my bread and butter. Not gonna lie to you, like I do a lot of AC stuff, but this light's awesome. I mean, you can literally stick it with these magnetic bases. This is a perfect setup. This light is what I love to use, so. Anyways, this is what goes with me most of the time everywhere when I go somewhere to a shop to help diagnose or something. Especially if there's an AC leak. AC leaks, guys, are just a pain in the butt to find sometimes. So, anyway, sorry, let me choke here. Anyways, guys, that's that I got for. Oh, shoot, I want to talk to you about the brushless impact or the brushless ratchet that I saw too. Hopefully, you're stuck around long enough for me to get into that. So, I actually got to play with the new CTR 861, I believe it was, and the halo light and the new trigger. Also got to check out this snap ring plier set. So I didn't realize it, but in the plier last week they had, the snap ring plier comes in this big case. So that's pretty cool. See that? It's in one of those plastic blow molded cases. Pretty neat for that. And then let's look at the... Yeah, there's the kit right there. I didn't get the part number on it. I can look it up, and if you guys are interested, let me know in the comment box. There we go. There's the new Ratchet. Speed on it was like 275 RPMs. I honestly, I gotta tell you, and I put a link on there's a picture on my Instagram if you want to see it more. I am not that jazzed about it. Honestly, it's got 60 foot-pounds of torque. It felt a lot like the Brute. It's definitely a little bit faster than the Brute. but I personally only want a long neck anyways. I only need long, I use these. These are all I use, long neck ratchets. So it was quiet. The brushless was nice, and I did like the new trigger. I like the saddle that it had in the new trigger. That was really nice. So it was definitely a nice ratchet. If you're in the market for one, I believe the Snap-on builds the best ratchets in the market. So that's all there is to it, in my opinion. I love these, and they're my go-tos. So those things do 90% of the work. So that's the rest of the video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you got any comments, questions, please don't feel free. I really appreciate it if you hit them thumbs up. Guys, we're getting like 2,000 and 3,000 views on these videos and only like 200 thumbs up. Come on, man. Just click it for me. Just give me a thumbs up, or if you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. But I appreciate you guys watching as always. Love you guys. Love your input. Love your comments. Been busy. I know I haven't been talking to you guys a bunch, but I appreciate you guys as always. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.